Hey guys, quick video here. It's David from Learn Stage Lighting. If you haven't been to learnstagelighting.com before, I'm the guy who runs it. But I just want to talk for a second about controlling DMX lights because, occasionally I get these questions and I think, well, let me just go make a quick video so that it can impact more people over time. And so when you've got DMX lights, sure, you can always put the things in sound active mode, but if you've been around Learn Stage Lighting for a while, I'm not into sound active mode. We can do so much better than that. And so, how do you get control of your DMX lights? Well, you're going to need a lighting console. And a lighting console is a really big deal, and I have a lot of other resources that go into much more detail that I'll be linking below as well as at the end of this video. But regardless, you need a console, and then you're going to need DMX cable to hook your lights to your console. And so if you're like, okay, I've got these DMX lights, how does it all work together? I'm going to link right below to a post about consoles and also a video about cables. So you can check both of those things out, both how to figure out the console that's going to be the best for you and how to wire things together, how to make it all work, so that if you have this question today, you can get all those resources. So I'm hopping off now, but thank you guys for checking this out. If you are new, be sure to subscribe and so you get the latest here from Learn Stage Lighting. Thanks so much and have a great day.